Hey, welcome back to another video. If your Gmail account got hacked and now it's disabled, don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to recover it step by step. Now go ahead and enter your Gmail, just like you see on my screen. I've already completed the recovery process, so make sure you follow this video step by step to do the same. So first, enter your Gmail account, the one that was hacked, and click Next to continue. You'll see a message saying your account is disabled. No stress, just click the link they give you, and that's how we begin recovering your account.